In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new expense category in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself needing to categorize your expenses more specifically, or if you're looking to better organize your financial data, setting up a new expense category can be a great solution. So let's jump right in and get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your browser and click on Sign In. Once you've clicked that, choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. If you haven't already entered your login details, type in your credentials and then hit Continue. QuickBooks will take a moment to load up your account on the dashboard ready for your next steps. Now, locating the settings is crucial. Navigate to the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it to open more options. Within this menu, look for products and services and give it a click. This is the section where QuickBooks lists all the categories and options you have to tailor your financial organization. As you explore the products and services section, you'll see a button labeled More at the top. Click on More, which opens up a context menu. Within this menu, you'll find the option labeled Manage Categories. Click it to proceed. It's here where you can see all your expense categories, providing a comprehensive overview of how your finances are currently tracked. To create a new category, find and click on New Category. This action opens a window to enter the details of your new category. This step is significant because it allows you to tailor the category to fit your specific needs. For instance, if you're doing a significant amount of business travel, you might want to set up a category for travel business to differentiate it from personal travel expenses down to the nitty-gritty. In the window that has just opened, you'll see a text field labeled Name. Here, you'll type in the name of the new category that you want to create. Make sure it's something easily recognizable and relevant to your needs so you can quickly sort and track expenses in the future. Once you're satisfied with the name, do a quick review just to be sure, and then take a deep breath. All that's left now is to save your work. So go ahead, click on the Save button located at the bottom of the window. QuickBooks will automatically add this new category to your list, and just like that, you've successfully created a new expense category ready to be utilized in organizing your transactions more effectively. Congratulations, you did a fantastic job. Now you can enjoy a more customized financial tracking system, making it easier for you to manage and review your finances in QuickBooks Online. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and techniques to optimize your QuickBooks experience.